Learn the words and the English alphabet.
Let's start. A is for alligator. And A is for apple. B is for ball. And B is for book. C is for cake. And C is for candy. D is for dolphin. And D is for duck. E is for eagle. And E is for earth. F is for fire. And F is for feather. G is for grapes. And G is for game. H is for hand. And H is for hammer. I is for ice. And I is for insect. J is for jar. And J is for jet. K is for kiwi. And K is for kitten. L is for leaf. And L is for lamp. M is for mushroom. And M is for magnet. N is for nest. And N is for nut. O is for olives. And O is for octopus. P is for parrot. And P is for pumpkin. Q is for question. And Q is for queen. R is for ring. And R is for rainbow. S is for spoon. And S is for ship. T is for tomato. And T is for tree. U is for up. And U is for umbrella. V is for vest. And V is for van. W is for wheel. And W is for watch. X is for X-ray. And X is for box. Y is for yawn. And Y is for yellow. Z is for zoo. And Z is for zero.
Now you know your ABCs from A to Z with words like breeze. You've learned so much, it's really neat. A wordy journey can't be beat.